Illuminating Gold Secret for Sheen and Radiance. Illuminating Gold Facial give radiant and glowing skin from inside and work on all layers of the skin as well. The gold dust and essential minerals provide gold sheen to the skin. It gives glowing complexion naturally. It helps the skin renewal and removing dead cells and skin tightening for extra shine and brightness of the skin, which illuminates the skin texture without depleting the skin pH. Use this facial for all skin types. This facial is good for normal to dry skin. Clean the face with the damp cotton. Prepare the skin by deep cleansing with the 1 tablespoon of golden cleansing gel for 5 to 7 minutes. Golden cleanser contains lemon peel and turmeric, which deep cleans, retains natural moisture and balance the pH level. Wipe it off with the damp cotton. Take 1 tablespoon of golden deep peeling dust and add golden aromatic lotion in the ratio of 1:2. Mix it to make a paste and apply it on the face for 5 minutes. After that, wet and do the peeling with the finger for 3 to 4 minutes. You can even use a brushing machine for doing the peeling. If required, give steam over the peeling mixture. Golden deep peeling dust contains deep ethanol, wheat germ and calendula. It has a exfoliating property which removes dead skin, help in skin polishing. Golden aromatic lotion contains sandalwood, honey and avocado. It rebuilds the tissue and minimizes scar tissue formation. Wipe it off with the damp cotton. Extracts blackheads and whiteheads. Tone the skin with the thyme rime freshener. Take 1 tablespoon of golden massaging cream. Gently massage the face, back and neck area for 10 to 12 minutes till it gets absorbed completely inside the skin. Golden massage cream contains bio-whites, chamomile and ashwagandha, which gives longer lasting metallic look and gives deep conditioning to the skin. Remove the excess cream with the damp cotton. Mix the whole golden elastin mask powder with the lukewarm water and make a thick paste. Quickly apply the paste on the face with the help of wooden spatula. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. You can even apply the elastin mask on top of the massage cream. Golden elastin mask contain soya protein, zinc oxide and silk protein, which provides excellent toning and muscular stimulation with polishing effect. Remove like a rubber mask which gives youthful and toned skin instantly. Apply Golden Shine Pack on the face and neck area. Golden Shine Pack contains fruit extracts and aloe vera, moisturizing face packs which boost radiance and give a golden sheen to the skin. After 10 minutes, wet the pack and remove the pack with the damp cotton. Apply 4 to 5 drops of Oxymestic moisturizer for protection and nourishment. Now you can see natural radiance, golden glow and luster on the skin. To maintain the effect of illuminating gold Secret for Sheen and Radiance Facial, you can use Aquapure Pore Refining Face Wash twice a day. Apply UV Cover Sun Protect Lotion daily.